Today we're going to be teaching you about behavioral skills training, and our example is making friends at school.
Behavioral skills training is used to teach new behaviors for behaviors that can be simulated in role play.
And it's used with learners who can follow instructions and imitate models.
Used when more intrusive procedures are not necessary. This can be used in both individual and group settings.
So there are 4 components to behavioral skills training. They are instructions, modeling, rehearsal, and feedback. So instructions must be understood by the learner, must be given by a person of credibility, and you must give instructions when the learner is paying attention, and you must have the learner repeat the instructions back to you.
In this, I'm going to be the learner.
And I'm the teacher. So, Mackenzie, when making friends, you want to walk up to them and greet them with a smile, and then you want to ask them a kind question, like what's their name and how they're doing. And then you also want to show interest when they're talking back to you and making eye contact and smiling. And then to finish it off, you just want to ask them if they want to hang out sometime.
Okay, so you walk up to them and greet them, ask them a kind question like what is their name and how they are doing, and then you make sure to ask them after if they want to hang out.
Yep.
So next you want to model for the learner. The learner must be capable of paying attention to the model and performing the behavior themselves just as it was modeled. The people giving the model must be of high status or similarity. The complexity of the model must be appropriate for the learner. And you need to make sure to repeat the model as many times as necessary for the learner to understand it all the way.
In this, I'm going to be the learner.
And I will be modeling the behavior. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Lauren. What's your name?
My name's Avery. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. I was wondering if you want to hang out after school today.
Sure.
Okay, I'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
So the next step is rehearsal. You want to give the learner the opportunity to rehearse the behavior after getting instructions and modeling. Rehearsal is the practice in a role play situation before completing the behavior in a real life situation.
In this, I'm the learner.
And I'm the teacher.
Hey,
Hi.
what's your name?
I'm Lauren. What's your name?
Mackenzie, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you? How are you?
I'm good. Do you want to hang out sometime?
I'll let you know.
All right.
So the final step is feedback. Feedback has 2 components, praise for the correct performance, which is positive feedback, and instructions for improvement, which is corrective feedback. Always praise some aspect of the performance, even if it's just for trying. Use descriptive language so that the learner knows exactly what to do the next time. And give instructions for improvement on one aspect of the performance at a time so it's not too confusing.
In this, I'm the learner.
And I will be giving feedback to Mackenzie on her performance. So Mackenzie, I thought that was really good. You came off really confident and you came off with a big smile on your face, which I really enjoyed. Maybe for this next time that we rehearse it, maybe let's keep our phone away and so we can maintain that eye contact with Lauren, and maybe she'll give you a better response.
Thank you. In this, I'm the learner.
I'm the teacher.
And I'll be providing feedback again.
Hi,
Hi.
what's your name?
I'm Lauren. What's your name?
Mackenzie. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Would you like to go shopping after school today?
Sure.
Yay.
Mackenzie, that looked really good. I'm glad you kept your phone away this time, and it looks like you'll have a fun time with Lauren this afternoon.
Thank you.
Good job.
So the goal of behavioral skills training procedures is for the learner to gain new skills that can be used in their real life outside of training sessions. To increase generalization, which is the ability to apply the skill in different settings or situations, you should provide a variety of instruction formats and different examples of modeling in order to increase generalization. Thanks for watching. Bye.